Meaning of health food.
Health food.
Health food.
Health food.
Health food. The term health food generally refers to foods that are considered to be beneficial for one's health and well-being. These foods are often promoted as being rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, and may also be low in calories, fat, or sugar. Examples of common health foods include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and certain types of dairy products. Consuming a diet rich in these foods is thought to help prevent chronic diseases such as heart disease, diabetes, and obesity, and to promote overall physical and mental health.